Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Garmin CT10 sensors. First, ensure each CT10 sensor is firmly screwed into the end of your golf club grips. It's important there's no space between the sensor and the grip for a secure fit. If you have a full set, you'll be attaching 14 sensors to track every shot. This initial physical setup is crucial for reliable performance on the course. Now, let's get ready to pair your first sensor. Take just one club with its CT10 sensor attached out of your golf bag. It's best to leave all other clubs in the bag to prevent any signal interference during this process. Then, bring that single club within 1 meter, or about 3 feet, of your compatible Garmin golf device to ensure a strong connection. With your club ready, navigate to the Settings menu on your Garmin device. Select Club Sensors, then choose Add New. Your device will begin searching for the nearby CT10 sensor. Once detected, simply follow the clear on-screen instructions to assign that specific sensor to the club you're holding. This links the sensor's data directly to that club. After successfully pairing your first club, return it to your golf bag. Then, take out the next club you wish to pair. You'll repeat the same steps. Bring the club close to your device, initiate the search, and assign the sensor. Continue this process until all your CT10 sensors are paired. For optimal battery life, remember to store your clubs in a dark environment when not in use.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.